Hi, I'm Kristen Grace, a music education major here at Elmhurst University. And if you love music just as much as I do, you do not want to miss what's coming up this October. We're kicking things off this Monday, October 13th, at our 4th annual music open house, followed by our EU Jazz Band and Lab Band concert at the Mill Theater. And then we have our fall orchestra strings concert, band concert, choir concert, and our super fun Halloween band concert. But why stop at watching? Do you know you can schedule a personalized music visit day? Come hang with us for the day. Sit in on rehearsals, music classes, and even take a free private lesson with one of our amazing professors. Already an admitted Blue Jay? Don't forget to schedule your required audition. It's your next step into the process of acceptance into the department and unlocking scholarship opportunities. Want to learn more about our amazing music community? Head over to elmhurst.edu/music. We can't wait to meet you.